Good morning. Conversation this morning went like this. Hey, Mike says there's an auction today. Well, we got too much inventory. It's cold. We got all this stuff to do around the house.
Outside the house.
In the house, out of the house. We got listing to do. All we've been doing is the fun part of the business. We haven't been doing the work. So we're not going? Oh yeah, we're going.
Backward bitter rocks.
So we're going to Dubuque, Iowa.
Dubuque.
Not to be confused with Dubuque.
Is there another Dubuque somewhere?
Well, there's East Dubuque in Illinois. I wonder if there's a Dubuque like in France.
I was thinking it sounds more Irish.
Dubuque is very French.
It is?
Yeah.
I just know that there's a lot of Irish people down there.
Yeah, there is.
Of Irish descent.
But I think it was founded by a French dude.
Oh, I guess.
His name is Doobie. No,
Ew, look at it.
Yeah, it's snowing.
Oh yeah, it's coming down straight, like crossways.
But we're still crossing the state lines for an auction. That won't show up on video.
Wait, the snow?
The snow.
Oh.
I don't know if there'll be a porta potty at this one. Sorry,
No.
folks. Sorry for all you porta potty fans that watch me for the porta potty reviews.
It's inside.
It's an indoor auction. They have a nice little restroom.
I like this venue because they have chairs.
Got it? Okay, got it? Nice little lawn roller. Give me 5 to go. Look at 5, it'll provide 5, it'll provide to go 5. Start low, everybody in right there. 5, now 10. 5, now 10, 10, now 15, 10, 20, 20, now 5. Now 5, it'll provide 25, 30, 70, now 5, 35, it'll provide 35, 5, and 40. And 40 and 5, it'll provide go 5, 45. Sold at 40 bucks, number 27.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, the lawn boy, I believe, correct? Alrighty. Selling the lawnmower, 4.5 horse. 5 to go. Just get 5, it'll divide by 5, it'll divide to go 5. Now 3. Now 3, 33, over 3, now 4, 4, it'll go 4, 4, now 5, it'll 5, now 6, 10, 76. Sold, $5 number 86. What do you want to do, Ron? From here onward, okay? Everything ahead of Jim. Jim is the boundary there. All right, sell choice of each box, correct? Of a box, not an individual. Choice, one or as many as you want. Sell choice. Give me 5 to go. Just get 5, it'll provide 5, it'll provide, now 7.5, over 7.5, goes 7.5. Sell a choice. Now 10, now 10, over 10, over 10, go 10, over 10, go 10, 10. Sold 7.5, number 43. Which one or how many you want? Takes the front 3. Nope, this one here, I think she said, and this one and that one. 3 at 7.5. Yep. So everything else, anybody else want choice for 750? Right here I got, no, 750 first. What's your number? 75, which one would you like? I think that was hers. It's this one here you want, correct? Folks, set them on top of the dishes. So these are gone. These are here.
Out of God. Dad, you don't want to mess with me. I'm locked and loaded.
Right here. Choice, 7.5 before we do anything else. Right here, number 9, what would you like?
Pull it out. Flare gun over there.
That's it? Okay. 750 choice per box. Anybody else? Pull it out, please.
It's kind of funny to get it.
Okay.
A flare gun?
Yes.
Why would that be funny?
for
Yes, one for now, I think.
4th of July.
What was your number? I think
Totally
it was
worth taking.
75. She was the previous one. You want that one as well? Or? Okay, everything here is what we got left to sell. So much per box. Choice at $7.50. You want a box at $7.50?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Everybody down here at $7.50 on choice. Sell the whole works. The rest of the pile to go. One money.
Are they all like that?
The rest of the pile, one money. Give me 5 to go. 5. Now 7.5. Now is anybody else choice per box? One box. Right here. What's your number? 35. Which box would you like? You're welcome. Takes the wicker. Anybody choice $5? Doc's got a pile to go. Everything left in the pile. Start them up. Give me 5 to go now. Now 2.5. 45. I got 42. Now 5. Now 7.5. 10. 10 over 10 over 10. 10. Now 12.5. Now 15. 15. 17.5. 17.5. 17.5. What'd you go? 17.5. 17.5. Sold $15. Number 56. Oh, the talking walleye. How much? Give me 5 to go. Let's get 5. Go buy 5 right here in front. Now 10. 10. 10. Now 15. 15. 15. I got 10 here. Now 15. 15. Would you go 15? 15. Sold at $10. Tom, your way. Number 51.
It was a little bit painful at that auction. Didn't get a whole lot. Got to spend time with my friend Mike, and it got Marcy to town, get some other shopping done. It was a good outing out of the house, but I guess the good news is I only spent $15, and I did get some things to sell. I'll show them from least interesting to the best. These little porcelain tea sets, tea set pieces. I don't know, they're unbranded, but they are pretty. I don't know if there's a market for these or not. They're not chipped yet. Wait till I get done with them. A little woman's powder thing, made in Hong Kong. It feels heavy, and it looks old. Green M&M candy dish. She's cute. Again, not chipped yet. Some novelty drinking glasses. This one's kind of funny. Texas Jigger. That's where I get to drink. Tenderfoot Cowgirls, Cowpokes, Astronauts, and then the Texans are the only ones that fill it up to there. One sealed Magnavox VHS tape. There's a glass with some recipes on it. This is a little Christmas Lovekin from 1978. I don't know what that's worth. Some random pictures. There's Aaron Rodgers winning the Super Bowl 2010. Fuzzy Thurston, former Packer. That looks like a real autograph on there. Ray Nitschke, Hall of Fame inductee picture. He's one of my all-time favorites. And this Napa Valley, Christian Brothers, Taste of Napa Valley picture. Coca-Cola tray. Don't know how old it is. Got some patina on it. This chime I might actually just hang outside. First thing I bought was this Jim Beam phone decanter that I swore I wouldn't buy any more decanters, but I paid $3 for it, and I was bored, frankly. And it's small enough, I think I can ship it pretty easy. A vintage old style calendar with the little rolly scrolls. I don't see a year on it, but I've seen these get pretty good prices at auction. The find of the day, thanks to my friend Mike, is these Winchester hats, which he charged me exactly $0 for. I thought we had a price in mind, and then he just told me, hey, I'm not a reseller. He goes to auctions because he collects things. And these hats came with an ammo box that he wanted. He didn't want the hats, so he gave them to me. He's a good guy. All new with tags. Winchester hats. Now, yeah, I don't know if you can tell. Some of them have a little dirt on them or something, which should clean up really easily. But we got the blaze orange ones, ammunition ones, ones with the horse and rider. Just a cool variety, and that one I believe has a turkey on it. 79, 10 very cool hats. I'm excited. They'll resell easily, I believe. And that wraps it up. That's all I got this week, which is fine, because again, we have a lot of inventory and I got to keep listing. So it was good to get out of the house to get another video for you guys too. Didn't spend a lot, but got some stuff to add to the inventory. Get them listed and get them gone. Thanks for stopping by, everyone. Bye. It's his Hall of Fame. So, oh, there's a porta potty. But I don't know, you know, whatever.
I've been driving through fields with this car. I must have been when I went out to get my kid from school.
He was an auction junkie like myself. He also works at auction. What the hell is on there?